venturing out. It is hot today. Okay, so our plan was to like walk to, I don't know, down by the port area. It's really hot. It's about a 25-minute walk down there. I don't know. Get up here, see how we feel. Go a little bit further. This is the Galleria Umberto. So it's a glass dome shopping area. It's kind of like Milan, just different, but very cool.
We're at the Galleria Umberto.
Oh my gosh, it's a train!
Good.
It's a slushy palm tree. It's really cool up there. And you can see the sky.
So we're in the shopping gallery, Galleria Umberto. It's a glass-covered shopping galleria. It's really beautiful. Looks like they're kind of restoring it a little bit. One side of it's covered in scaffolding. Other three quadrants are really, really nice. So I think they're working on the last one right now. It's very cool, very impressive. Okay, just bought a water. It's the same water we just got when we're sitting here. That was $2, and this one's only €1. Must be half price when you go to the counter yourself. So we're in the Piazza del Plebiscito. I might be saying that wrong. Put the spelling down there. It's awesome. It's nice, breezy, shady. There's lots of pigeons. It's really pretty here, though. That is Mount Vesuvius. Batteries for the camera. So one battery. This whole evening's walkabout. Let's see if I can make a good video on one battery. Some of you might be asking, let's see if he can make a good video. I might have one in me. Time will tell. So this is the palace. You don't install that kind of stuff when the people love you. Okay, it got a lot busier out here. Once it cools off, people come out, I guess.
It's close. What?
Okay, pretty side street, but the restaurant, pizzeria is closed.
Pizza.
We're at a pizzeria. We got prosciutto with buffalo mozzarella for our starter, a couple of pizzas, and some chicken nuggets for her.
It's really good.
Okay, that was a good dinner. We are gonna go to the bank now, get some cash out because people like cash here. All good. So I think I actually like the area we're in better than the other place. The other place was just, I don't know, it was like fake. It was built for tourists. This just seems more real. Might not be, but I think it is. Like real people live here. It's awesome.